Come to class with me. Hi! Welcome back to Cooking Noob Goes to Culinary School, where I take a 12-class culinary program to see if I can learn the fundamentals and grow to love cooking. Today we're making Espagnole sauce and steak. We start out as usual with a demonstration from our teacher. For some reason today we are braising the steak instead of pan frying it. I never eat or cook steak, so it beats me why we're doing it this way, but we'll see if I like the outcome. Then we go to our stations and we start prepping our mirepoix, which is essentially onion, carrots, and celery, the base of a lot of French culinary dishes. I got this fun fact from my boyfriend, but apparently in Italy they do a similar thing and they call it sofrito. I thought it was especially interesting because in Chinese cooking, we use garlic, ginger, and green onion a lot. So that I think would be our version of a mirepoix. Anyways, back to the recipe. We brown the mirepoix and then we add tomato paste, flour, and brown stock. We bring that to a boil, simmer with a spice bag, and then strain. Now we move on to the steak. Our teacher talked about 3 different ways to tenderize steak. She talked about pounding, salting, and braising. And I guess today we will do all 3. Maybe that's why they gave us a braised recipe. But I got to do a really fun thing, which was hit the steak with as much power as I can. That was a very therapeutic and fun exercise, although one of the steaks took a lot more force than I thought it would. We sear and pan fry our steaks to lock in the moisture, and then we continue building the steak sauce. So the Espagnole sauce that we just made is going to be a part of the steak sauce. I think they made us do it this way just so we could really get the concept of what a mother sauce is. So they taught us about 5 different mother sauces, which are velouté, hollandaise, tomato, Espagnole, and I haven't learned the last one yet. So stay tuned to find out. Then we make a cute little hat for our steaks and we pop them in the oven. While we're waiting, we get a head start on washing our dishes. My steaks came out tougher than I wanted them to, and this is probably because I didn't leave them long enough. I did find the Espagnole sauce pretty good, and I think in the future I'll probably use that in a spaghetti or some noodle dish. And voila! The kitchen is clean, we have our steaks, and we are excited for next week, where we'll be making roast chicken and beef stroganoff.